Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today we will be solving one problem every day. So let's get started without delay. First we will start with easy problem and then we will move on medium then hard. So likewise we will upgrade our level day by day and we will be ready for all type of interviews. So yeah, you can start with me. So here I am taking a very easy problem which is swap two values, and this is mostly asked in so many interviews. So here problem is input is given int x equal to 3 and y equal to 8. So we have to swap these values, means x value we have to assign in y and y value we have to assign in x. So as per the problem, output should be x equal to 8 and y equal to 3. Now here there are two approaches. One is using third variable and another one is without using third variable. So mostly interviewer will give this scenario like in which by which approach you have to solve this problem. Mostly they ask about without using third variable. So let's see. First we will solve this problem using third variable. Here I am simply taking .NET Fiddle. You can take any ID, maybe Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code or Lead Code. So here I will simply go with C#. So I'm just using the online tool which is .NET Fiddle. So as per the problem, we have to take two input. One is x and another one is y. So here simply I will declare int x equal to 3 and y equal to 8. So if we talk about this approach using third variable, so here what we can do, we can take one temporary variable and in that we can assign one of variable value so that it won't be replaced directly. So here I am just taking temp equal to 0, and in temp we can assign x. Okay, so here its value will become 3. Then in x we will assign value of y, which so as per this y value will become x value will become y, which is 8, and y equal to, we can take it from temp because we can't take x. So if we will do like y equal to x, then it will new value of x has been assigned as a 8, so it won't work. So here simply we are just reading from temp, so which means here we will be able to see the y value as a 3. Now we simply print these values. So the x value is, and simply you can print x, and likewise we have to use print the y value, and y value is y. Now let's simply run this program. So you can see that x value become 8 and y value become 3, which is as per our expectation. So if we talk about time and space complexity, so here nothing will take much time because we are simply just assigning these values, so it would be constant. So time complexity would be of 1 and space complexity will also be of 1 because we are simply just taking one temp variable and x and y, so these are constant. So space complexity will also be like of 1. Now if we talk about the second approach, which is without using third variable, now we have to remove this temporary variable and we have to do something by which we can simply perform any action on x and y and just simply swap these values. So here we can use the mathematical operation. So in that what we can do, let's say in x, first we can see we can do the submission of both x and y. So what it will give, x plus y, 3 plus 8, which will be 11. Okay, then now we have to calculate the y value. This is not the final value of x, we will see later. So here we will first get y value, y equal to x minus y. So what it will give, as per this current sign, so x value will become 11 and now y value is 8. So 11 minus 8, which is 3. So here you can see in y value we have simply assigned the x value. Now we have to calculate x value, means we have to assign the y value in x. So x equal to, same way we can do x minus y. So likewise what it will become, x value is 11 and y value is 3. So 11 minus 3, which is 8. So now if you simply just print x and y value, so let's run this program, you can see the output is same, x value is 8 and y value is 3. So we simply done by 3 line of code, and this is very easy problem. So here again, like time complexity and space complexity would be constant of 1, because we are simply performing the mathematical operation on the given value. So for the space, we are simply just having two variables in the memory, and for time complexity we are just simply performing the math operation, so time and space would be constant. So I hope this video will help you out, and you can keep practicing. In next video we will be solving such problem. We will improve our level day by day, so keep learning and keep exploring.